What's up YouTube? It's your girl Rochelle and I am back. Welcome to another video. As promised, I wanted to share with you guys my December passive income report to show you how I plan to make money while I sleep. Okay, so you might have heard me mention in my recent video that my goal is always to make money while I'm sleeping, and so I wanted to do one of my first ever passive income videos. So let's dive right in. I hurt my finger, so I had to write this ahead of time. I hope you guys understand. I was on my way to get my nails done and then hurt my fingers, and now I have to wait a couple more days. But let me just dive in, and while I'm diving in, I just want to say thank you for all the love, all the support. It's just, I'm overwhelmed. Thank you so much. So here's my December passive income report. First up, I just want to talk about our rental property. So our property in Maryland, normally we have tenants who pay religiously, y'all, every month. Like, I've never had a problem. I'm so blessed that we don't have any issues. And they actually are friends of ours, and they just got married in 2020. And as a gift, we told them that they would not have to pay rent for 1 month. And they finally did it. They finally cashed in on that and used it for the month of December. So we got no income as far as our rent. That's okay, because we've had it in times past. Now, next up is cash back on our credit cards. Now, this is where we really made some progress. So as much as possible, we try to use credit cards and then pay them off in full. So we were able to make a total of $156.86 in the month of December, which is awesome. And I'm just grabbing my notes to see what was a really big spend was booking all of our travel on a credit card and then throwing the cash on there. So pretty much $100 was just from using our travel credit card. And there was a credit card that we used that we redeemed points instead of the cash value, and because it's worth more. So I highly recommend that you take a look at your credit cards and find out what makes more sense, whether you should cash them out, the points I mean, or whether you should keep them as points and use the points to book travel or rent a car or do anything else that you like to do. Next is the receipts category. So every time I go shopping, in my head, if I remember, I like to use at least 2 of these apps to scan in my receipts. Fetch is definitely my favorite. I always remember to use it, and based on what products you purchase, it will tell you how much money you get as far as a cash or points system. It will tell you how much you get. And so for Fetch, Ibotta, and Coin Out, I made a total of $4.53. Now, usually I would not put receipts on my passive income because I do have to do something in order to redeem that, but it takes me literally seconds to scan my receipt as soon as I'm done shopping. As soon as I hop in the car, I take a picture and I keep it pushing. So I highly recommend that you try out one of these free apps and make you some money. And my favorite thing to do, especially with the Fetch app, is to redeem my points. I let it build up to at least $25, and I'm almost there, and then I will redeem it for an Amazon gift card. I love to redeem my points into gift cards because I don't have to worry about them expiring and all that jazz. So if you're interested in any of the things that we're talking about in this video today, the link will definitely be in the description for you. Next up is the interest and surcharge reimbursement category. So anytime we make any money from our bank accounts by leaving our money in there, we track that interest. And so we made a total of $17.57 in the month of December. We use PNC Bank. You've heard me mention that in previous videos. I recommend them if you have them in your area, because the surcharge reimbursements are pretty awesome. You can use any ATM and they will pretty much reimburse you for using that ATM, that non-PNC ATM. Next are surveys. This is a category that I would love to do more in. I feel like I really used to do well with like Swagbucks and other apps like that. And so I really want to challenge myself to use these apps and get some surveys done while I'm sitting down watching a movie with my family or anything where I'm sitting still. Let me know in the comments if you guys do these surveys, if you find any value from them, if you remember to do them, and how much money you've made from them. Next up is my new favorite category, and that is the dividends. So because we started investing our money more seriously in 2020, we now receive dividends. And so this total of 33 cents for the month of December is for dividends received from my investments and Eva's investments. Y'all, she almost made more than me this month in her investments dividends. So I'm so proud of her. I have to tell her, I don't even know if she's checked it since it updated, but my husband, he's not home, so I could not get his dividend update, but when he gets in, I'll add it to my next video. Next up is the referrals category. Now this is anything that, sorry, it's kind of crooked. That could be anything where we have a link in my description for joining something like Greenlight, TubeBuddy, or Undebt.it. Anything like those type of referral links I like to track. And because we did so much traveling in the months of November and December to go check on our parents, I can honestly say I'm not surprised at all that I only have $1.41. And y'all, it really would have been zero, but because I do give Eva our Greenlight referral money because it is her account and I just like to do what I can with her money. And so she made $10 in the month of December from a Greenlight referral. I'll drop the video right here if you want to know more about how your kid can have their first debit card experience. And she ended up giving us $1.41 back in the parents' wallet. She is so sweet. So that's that category. And then affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing was my favorite way to make money, but I'm starting to find quicker ways to make money, and so I find that I'm not as serious about putting links on my website, putting links under my videos, but I do want to give it a fair chance. And so in the month of January and February, I'm going to be trying to remember to put those links there. But for December, we made 89 cents from affiliate marketing, and affiliate marketing could be Amazon, my Instacart, anything like that. I have a couple of them listed, but they all say $0, so I'm not going to go into that more. But I am still impressed with the fact that I made 89 cents off of one order, and I didn't have to do anything except for put a link in my description. So shout out to whoever is using my links. I appreciate y'all. Then let's see, that's time for the grand total. The grand total for the month of December came in at $181.59. So when you add it all up, it really does count. Even if you take away pretty much $150 from our total count, we made almost like 20, what is that? At least $20 to $30 or 20, maybe like $25 outside of our cash back that we know we're going to get. So I would still consider this a good month. And I look forward to January when we can expect a partial rent for the month of January, because we have an agreement where they're only going to pay half for the month of January, because I actually owe them money because I also am I also do their travel, book their travel for them, and so we're only going to get $300 from them in the month of January, but I'm still going to count it. One more thing, I know you might be wondering, Rochelle, why aren't you including your side income? I really want to focus on making money while I sleep, and so I keep any YouTube income or website income separate, or maybe maybe I might make some sales on eBay or Mercari or Teespring or just anything like that. So I just want to keep it separate because I want to grow those two things individually. So my advice is to start small, start with just one thing. That way you can be really good at it and be consistent with it. That way you have the best chance of seeing some results. Now, all of these categories are pretty much passive, which means that you should not feel like you're going to have guaranteed income. But if you are consistent with sharing your links with friends, family, and strangers, you might reap some rewards. So that's all. So let me know in the comments if you guys enjoyed this type of video, if you would like to see more about how I try to make money while I sleep, even if it's just a penny a day. Well, that's all for my December passive income report. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace, love, and budget.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly.